Hi, hello viewers, welcome to Shapio Max. In this video, let's see how to find the number of animals or the birds when their total heads or legs given. Method 1, let's solve it by simultaneous equation, taking the number of pigeons as x and number of rabbits as y. And the head, pigeons plus rabbits head is equal to 120. And as the pigeons have 2 legs and the rabbits have 4 legs, 2x plus 4y is 350. Then by solving the two equations, we will come to know the number of rabbits and the pigeons. Here, the rabbits, it's 55. And the pigeons can be found by subtracting 120, the number of heads, minus this rabbits. So the pigeons is 65. Now let's see how to solve the same easy and in a fast way. Take the total number of the legs and divide it by 2, as all the animals have 2 legs definitely. So you will get 175. Then subtract with the number of heads. You will come to know how many 4-legged animals are there. Then to find the 2-legged animal, 2-legged bird, that is pigeon, just subtract the head with the 4-legged animal. So you will come to know how many pigeons are there. By following the second method, you can find the number of animals in a fast and short way. Now let's do another question. There are some geese and ducks in a zoo, and the heads, total heads is 180 and the total legs are 448. How many geese are there? So to find the number of 4-legged animals, take the total legs and divide it by 2. Then subtract this answer with the number of heads. Total heads, and that's the answer 44, which is the number of geese. The 4-legged animal number of geese is 44. And if you want to find the number of ducks, you can also find, just take the heads and subtract this 44, the 4-legged animal. You will come to know how many birds are there. 136 ducks. By following the second method, you can find the number of animals fast. See you all in the next. Bye.